In today's video, we will show you how to clean your Franke Specialty Beverage Station SB1200 coffee machine with UT40 cooling unit. Before getting started, make sure you've read the user manual which is available on Franke's website. To start the cleaning process, select the Franke logo in the top left of the screen, enter the code 1111 and select OK. Select Cleaning and Maintenance, Clean System, Start, and then Yes. The screen may prompt you to remove and clean the blue cleaning container. If not, skip to the next step. If it does, follow the steps on screen. Start by turning the red locking mechanism counterclockwise and remove the blue cleaning container by gently pulling it out towards you. Remove the lid from the base of the cleaning container, wash both pieces with warm water and allow to dry. While drying, clean the inside of the CleanMaster module with a damp cloth. Once complete, reinsert the blue cleaning container and turn the red locking mechanism clockwise to lock in place. Select Next. The screen will now prompt you to open the fridge and remove the black milk tube connectors from the milk containers and place them on the corresponding pump modules. Start by opening the fridge door. Remove the black connector from the top left-hand milk container by holding it, retracting the plug and pulling it upwards firmly if required. Secure it in place by retracting the plug and attaching it to the red A pump module fitting. Next, remove the black connector from the top right-hand milk container and attach it to the red B pump module fitting. Then, remove the black connector from the bottom left-hand milk container and attach it to the blue A pump module fitting. And finally, remove the black connector from the bottom right-hand milk container and attach it to the blue B pump module fitting. Close the fridge door and select Next. The machine will now validate the cleaning solution lines to ensure the black connectors have been securely attached. The machine will now prompt you to empty the used coffee grounds bin. Open the coffee machine door by pressing the silver button on the top of the door and leave the door open while you move through the next steps. Open the cupboard and empty the coffee grounds bin, replacing the bin liner if required. Select Next. The screen will now prompt you to remove, clean and reinsert the brewing module. To remove the brewing module, first unlock the red locking mechanism by turning the lever counterclockwise. Gently angle the top of the brewing module down towards you in a tilting motion before slowly pulling it up and out towards you. You shouldn't need to force it. Thoroughly wash the brewing module with warm soapy water, paying extra attention to the metal shower screen and rubber seals to ensure any built-up coffee grounds and oils are removed. The metal screen should be smooth to the touch and the swing arm and rubber seals should be clean. Carefully shake any excess water from the brewing module. Next, use the long Franke cleaning brush to clean the inside of the drive frame as well as the base of the machine. Now, carefully reinsert the brewing module back into the machine. First, check the round metal pin is locked into the red lever, the brewing chamber is in the lowered position, and the plastic T-piece is in the position shown. Carefully insert the base of the brewing module back into the bottom of the drive frame and then tilt the unit forwards to fix into place. Don't forget to lock it in by turning the red locking mechanism clockwise. Select Next. Depending on your machine settings, the screen may prompt you to remove and clean the coffee and powder hoppers. First, pull the red locking slide forward to unlock. Carefully lift the coffee hopper upwards off the machine and place it on a flat surface. And remove both hopper lids. If there are coffee beans inside the hopper, empty them into a food-safe container while you clean the hopper. Using a damp cloth, wipe the inside and outside of the hopper to remove any buildup of coffee oils. Allow it to dry completely. Once dry, carefully place the hopper back onto the machine. Refill the hopper with coffee beans, being careful not to spill any. And replace both lids. Select Next. Carefully lift the powder hopper upwards off the machine and place on a flat surface. Remove the lid. If there is vending powder inside the hopper, empty the contents into a food-safe container while you clean the hopper. Using a damp cloth, wipe the inside and outside of the hopper to remove any buildup of powder. Then, using a dry cloth, wipe the inside of the hopper to ensure it is completely dry before refilling. While the hopper is drying, remove the red powder chute and clean with a small Franke brush to remove any buildup of powders, and place it back onto the machine. Once the hopper is dry, carefully place it back onto the machine and refill with vending powder. And replace the lid. If your machine has a second powder hopper, repeat the steps above, then select Next. Push the red locking slide all the way in to lock the hoppers in place. Select Next. Next, we are going to clean the mixer system. Disconnect the powder dosing hose and push the bottom of the red mixer handle counterclockwise towards the door to unlock the mixer chamber. Remove the chamber by gently pulling it towards you. The mixer chamber is made up of two pieces, a bottom and a lid. To clean, separate and wash with warm soapy water, then rinse thoroughly and reassemble. Set aside. Clean the agitator with one of the red Franke brushes. Pick whatever size works best to remove any buildup of powder. Once complete, replace the mixer chamber. Start by ensuring the red mixer handle is in the unlocked position, pushed all the way towards the door. Now, gently push the mixer chamber back into place. Pull the bottom of the red mixer handle clockwise away from the door to lock it into place. Don't forget to reattach the powder dosing hose. Select Next. The screen will now prompt you to clean the grounds chute. Using your long Franke cleaning brush, brush around the inside of the grounds chute. Then, using a damp cloth, wipe clean. Close the coffee machine door. You'll now be prompted to clean the drip tray, position the spout cleaning device, and insert a Franke cleaning tablet. First, remove the drip grid and set aside. Clean the inside of the drip tray using warm soapy water, your long Franke cleaning brush, and a damp cloth. Wash the drip grid with warm soapy water, scrubbing with a sponge to remove any buildup. It can also be put through the dishwasher if required. Once complete, replace the drip grid, ensuring the large ring is centered and the smaller ring is to the left. Now, position the blue spout cleaning device directly beneath the spout, lowering the spout over the top to secure it in place. Then, take one Franke cleaning tablet and insert it into the chute at the top of the machine. Select Next. The machine will now commence its automatic cleaning and rinse cycle, which takes approximately 15 minutes. You can leave the machine unattended during this time. Be careful while the clean cycle is running, as there's a risk of scalding from the hot water and steam. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, lift the spout and remove the blue spout cleaning device. Select Next. The screen will now prompt you to remove the black milk tube connectors from the cleaning pump modules and place them back onto the milk containers. First, remove the black connector from the blue B pump module fitting and place it on the bottom right-hand milk container. Next, remove the black connector from the blue A pump module fitting and place it on the bottom left-hand milk container. Then, remove the black connector from the red B pump module fitting and place it on the top right-hand milk container. Finally, remove the black connector from the red A pump module fitting and place it on the top left-hand milk container. Close the fridge door and select Next. The machine will now validate that the fittings have been reattached correctly and will begin preparing the milks. Once validated, the machine will return to the beverage selection screen ready for use. Thanks for watching. For more information or to find out more about our office coffee services, be sure to check out our website at www.orteso.com.au.